In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable hyperlink in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. First off, the very first thing you want to do is open your conversation. If you're using the Slack desktop application, bring that up right now. If you prefer using a web browser, you can launch Slack that way too. Once you're in, navigate to the specific workspace you're part of, and then open the channel or direct message where you want to share your hyperlink. It's really important to make sure you're in the right spot so you can connect with your team as effectively as possible. Once you're in the right channel, let's move on to step 2. Prepare your link in text. Take a moment to copy the destination URL you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be anything from a YouTube video link to an article or even a resource page. Just grab that URL from your browser and make sure it's ready to go. Now in the Slack input box, type out your message. This is the text you want to accompany the link. Once you've crafted your message, highlight the specific text that you want to turn into that clickable hyperlink. You might want to select a phrase like, "Check out this video," or "Read this article." Whatever text you choose will help guide your audience to understand what they'll find when they click. Moving on to step 3, insert the hyperlink. With the text highlighted, you'll want to press Ctrl-Shift-U on your keyboard. This will bring up a pop-up window that says Add Link. In this pop-up, there's a field to paste the link you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste that destination URL right there. Now here's a little optional tip for you. You can modify the display text in this window as well if you want to change how it appears. Once you're happy with it, click the Save button, and just like that, you've created a hyperlink. Now for step 4, send your message. When you do this, you'll notice that the text you highlighted has turned blue. This is how you know it's now hyperlinked and ready for other users to click on. Finally, just press Enter to send your message. And voila! Users can now click directly on that text and it will open the link you embedded. That's all there is to it. Adding clickable hyperlinks in Slack is a straightforward way to share resources, articles, videos, or anything else that might benefit your team. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling a bit more confident about enhancing your Slack messages. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it useful,